Okay, guys, so there's a new Gorilla Tag update. They just came out, and I haven't seen anything. So yeah, we're gonna hop in. First, let's join the code. There's people recording a video in my normal code, so I added a 1. But, you know, if you want to meet me, join the code GRAF without the 1. And I'm probably gonna be making videos there. The Monkey Summer Bash is still going strong with Under the Sun flashback. No, no, they're back. No. Now available. You can sizzle and style all day long. Grab your friends and head down to the beach to have a ball with all new. Then enjoy tasty snacks around the fire after a day of fun. Dang. Okay. Anything new in here? What is that? Yo, the leaks were true. The leaks were true. Yes. Oh. Wait, can I like grab blue? Oh wait, does it change? It does. It changes. That's awesome. Bro, oh, there's one right here too. Let's go. This is sick, bro. Ugh. That is awesome. Ready? Does it work up there? That's the it does. Let's go. That's awesome. Okay, you know what? We gotta check out the cosmetics. Come on. It's been a whole year since I've seen these cosmetics. Wait, before we go in there, I'm gonna go ahead and prove that I have the emoji. If you look, this is my first cosmetic ever, and this is my second holdable ever. So I did have the emoji. I did. Also, you've seen them in my past videos, and I do. Oh no. I'm not gonna look at that yet. What is this? Oh, bet! Oh! Yo! Let's go! Alright, bet. We're gonna take those. Bro, no. No! All the cosmetics are bad. I already own this one, so I don't want to put that one on. I don't want to put those on. No, they're back. Alright, rubber ducky. Yeah, I remember that. Oh, this. Dude. This brings back memories, bro. I remember I almost bought these, but I didn't. Oh. Oh. That is sick, bro! Oh my gosh. That is sick, bro. I'm getting that. And then we got this. That is sick, bro. That is awesome. Bro. Okay, you know what? How much shiny box do I have? $800. Gosh, dang it. Happens every update, man. I definitely already had 5,000. I didn't buy shiny rocks. What you mean? That's so freaking cool. Okay, before we do anything, I have an idea. Let's find that new cosmetic. Is it right here? Oh, here it is. We'll put that on the left because I need my unicorn. The unicorn is like it's a part of my channel now. So we're gonna. Yo, that's sick. All right, bet. Yo, this is so cool. Water butt. What in the world? What is this? What? Is this like soccer? Can you grab it? Or can you just hit it? Oh, this is so cool. Bet, yo guys, I'm about to score. Ugh. Ugh. Frick, I missed. I'm bad. You know what? I gotta see if you can still do it. I'm not gonna say what it is till I do it, but you're gonna have to find out. Yes, you can still do it. Let's go. Where's it at? Let's go. Come on. Caves. Wait. What is this? Monkey down. Wait, this is new. Guys, that's new. That means next update it's coming out. I'm pretty sure that the next update is going to come out. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and fireworks.